So there was just a post on the discussion board about how to use the BA2 Plus calculator, and they referred to example 8.2a. So I'm just going to walk you through it real quick. So what would be the maturity value of $10,000 invested for 5 years at 3.75% compounded semi-annually? So we're looking for the maturity value, so that's in the future. So we're looking for future value, which means we have to input values for all the other variables. So the 10,000 is going to be your present value. So 10,000 and then hit PV. It's invested for 5 years and it's semi-annual. So 5 years. So your N is your number of payments or number of periods. So it's 5 years and it's semi-annual, so twice a year. So it's down here in the term, 5 years, 2 payments or 2 periods per year. That is 10. So you just enter 10 for your, and then hit N. It's at 3.75%. So you hit 3.75, then your I/Y button there. Now, because it's semi-annual, you also have to fill in the P/Y, C/Y button. So you hit second, and then I/Y. If you hit that, because above that you see P/Y. So if you hit second, and then the I/Y, you hit 2 because it's semi-annual, so 2 periods per year. If you hit 2, enter, and then scroll down, you'll see both values then equal 2. Second, quit to get out of that function. So we've got N, the interest I/Y, we've got the present value, we need the future value, so the only one left is payments. We need to set that at 0, so 0, payment. So now we've got values for all 4 of them, and we need to calculate the future value. So anytime you're using the calculator, those white buttons on the BA2 Plus, the row of white buttons, you need to have values entered in for 4 out of the 5. And even if it's a 0, like the payment here is going to be 0, you have to put 0 in for that. And now we hit compute future value, and it's $12,041, and if you're rounding, because it's dollars, we're going to use 2 decimal places, it's going to be 0.38. Okay, if you guys have any more questions on the calculator, post them on the discussion board, and I'll try to help out as much as I can.